Thank you, Chair. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As like Mr. Huang introduced, I come from MEP of People Republic of China. My department is new department. The main task is for the policy making of pollution, total pollution emission reduction control, and direct to implement. I'm glad to be here to discuss pollution reduction and G emission control with all of you. Today, I will give some brief introduction about collaborative control progress for China's pollution reduction and G emission control. The main contents include China's economic growth and environmental pressure, the current pollution reduction measures, and pollution reduction achievement, and cumulated experiences for G control. First, I would like to introduce China's economic growth and environment pressure. As you see, we can see the GDP growth in China in the past years. It's really fast. Until now, for 30 years, GDP in China increased almost 20 times. It's really fast. But recent years, it's we can find the growth rate already too slow. Along with it, environment pressure increasing. The China's environment problems also it's a reflection of global environment problem. Pollution emissions per capita not high, but the total amount is large, like climate change, acid rain, surface water, air and soil pollution, and so on. This is the main pollutants emission. We can find before 2006, the main pollutant emission is the growth. But after 2006, we can find the main pollutant already the reduced. After moment, I will give some introduce why we can the main pollution reduction. Second, I will introduce the current pollution reduction measures. In the phase two contradictions of economic development and environmental pollution, the national level pay much attention to that. There are three very important things we already done. The first is the first time pollution reduction control target into 11 5-year plan. Special will be as the binding target. That means the targets must be done by each level government, and every year we will check them. And the second is the State Council public several very important documents. Special, very detailed document is a comprehensive work plan of energy conservation and emission reduction. This document gives a lot of measures to how reduce the main pollutant, the pollutants Yeah. The third is we built some higher agencies. We call it the leading group, directed by Premier Wen Jiabao. The main function is overall arrangements and direct to implement how energy saving and pollutant reduction. This is very interesting map. We call it a roadmap on pollution reduction. This map includes 3 levels. The first level is implementation standards. Include comprehensive decision, environmental quality, development method, supervision ability. That means when government, they said they finished the work, we have to check how about that. The second level, we have several 3. Also, it's very important measures. The first is the 3 reduction measure, include project reduction, industry structure adjustment reduction, and management reduction. And we have 3 principles, include weaken baseline, clarify added amount, verify reduced amount. And also we have 3 systems, include statistics, monitor, evaluation, yeah. And also we have the 3 key links, include filing and verify and review. This is the second level. 3 level, we have we already built up 9 institutes, include evaluation, statistics, monitor, verify, scheduling, direct online reporting, filing, publish, early warning. And we want to construct this mechanism and to do reduction, and otherwise we cannot accomplish such hard work. In the past few years, we strengthened environment protection supervision and law enforceability. Total investment of 11.7 billion renminbi, strengthening the environmental law enforcement, environmental monitoring capacity, and national environmental information and statistics capacity. We call it a 3 main system construction. And by the end of 2010, to build more than 300 provincial city-level monitoring center, we installed automatic monitoring equipment of 15,000 key enterprises and realized automatic monitoring for 85% of the enterprises with serious pollution. Then I will introduce pollution reductions achievement. After our hard work, by 2010, overfulfilled 11th 5-year plan reduction target, achieved a double decline of the main pollutant discharge. COD SO2 emission were reduced by 12.45% and 14 to 9%, respectively, than the levels in 2005. This picture we gave the SO2 and COD, the situation. We reduced it already. When they think about effect of result of reduction, the positive impact of major pollutant reduction include contribution to the improvement of environment quality and people's benefit, and also driving the economic structural adjustment, boosting the development model change, and also promoting the Great Leap Forward development of infrastructure of environment protection. Just I will give some finger. And also strengthening the environment regulatory capacity. The one kind of the results is atmosphere quality already, improved. And also the surface water of key cities meet grade the third standard, reach 51.9%, increase 14% in 2010 compared with 2005. The second is drive the adjustment of economic structure and the change of development patterns. The COD intensities of paper, chemistry, and the textile industry decreased by 73.9%, 66.7%, and 50%. And also SO2 intensity of electricity generation, non-metal mineral industry, and smelting the pricing of ferrous metals decreased by 72.5% and 58.1% and 50%. During the 11 5-year period, China has completed and put into operation more than 500 million kilowatts of desulfurization facilities of coal power plant. The proportion of thermal power desulfurization was raised from 12% to 82.6%. 2,000 urban sewage treatment facilities were built up, and the sewage treatment rate was raised from 22% to about 77%. This is really huge input. And also strengthening environment protection regulatory capacity, include operational mechanism formation. The pollution reduction work has attracted the attention of central and local government. The importance of environment protection was raised in the decision-making and national economic and social development. And also National People's Congress approved that the original SEPA was upgraded to the Ministry of Environment Protection. And also 6 region supervision centers has been set up. Significantly enhanced the functions and role of the Environment Protection Department. And also regulatory capacity improvement. Just I mentioned, we call it a three-system, three-system constructor build. And then I will introduce accumulated experience for GHG control. Our experts give me some their research result. We can see this is links between air quality problems. We can find the main pollutants and the main GHG in the main in the some way it's the same. Include on road, mobile, and electricity production. We can find it's how to say the important also they are also important. So we want to see why we want to carry on the calibrate control. The calibrative control is an effective way to solve the environmental problems and to respond to climate change. One side, the main pollutant and and the GHG, the main resource come from the coal, the coal. That means the fire, coal fire. Yeah, we call it the same sources. On the other hand, if the policy, the good for the pollution reduction, generally it's also good for the GHG control. So for the policy, it's a consistency of the policy. In sum, we need to have calibrative control of pollutant emission reduction and GHG emission. During 11 five-year plan, we realized energy saving and pollutant reduction targets and also reduce CO2 emissions. We organized the experts to do some research for the calibrative control of emission and GHG. We find complete energy saving targets to reduce CO2 and also over-fulfilled SO2 emission reduction goals also is reduce CO2. And we eliminate CFC in the air, which is equivalent to 400 million tons of CO2. And also the clean development mechanism certified emission of CO2 emissions. In the 12 five-year plan, pollution reduction is strengthened. The new binding targets, we add some new targets to the 12 five-year plan, include ammonia, nitrogen, and nitrogen oxide, two pollutants. COD and SO2 emission, we will control it. We will reduce it 8%. And ammonia, nitrogen, and NOx emissions, we will reduce 10%. At the same time, local government, they can add some local pollutant, main pollutant in their plan. The agriculture source into the total amount control range, and also motor car into the scope of total amount control. This is a difference with the 11 five-year plan. If we want to, implement the 12 five-year plan, we have to, the new work include 7. One is strengthening the source management, strictly control new pollutant increment. The second is outstanding structure reduction, put forth efforts to reduce the pollutants emission intensive. And also, we pay attention to a cooperative control, strengthening the COD and ammonia nitrogen emission. And then we highlight key areas and promote SO2 and NOx emission reduction projects, and also optimize cultivation pattern, developing the agriculture source, reduction energy construction, and also adopt comprehensive measures to strengthen the control of the motor nitrogen oxide. And the last one, we increase capacity investment, improve the emission reduction ability system construction. And we find we have to continue to do the research and implement, include the policies, research on countryment, preparation of introduction of relevant policies, and also related indicators integrated into environmental statistics in 12 5-year plan, and also pollutions measurement and GHG emission inventory based on the first national sensors on pollution sources. This is we done it 2007. So it's very important things for our pollution reduction. We want to promote pollutants and greenhouse gas collaboration control. The key lines is implement all the policies and measures, include institutional improvement and co-treatment policy, and also monitoring mechanism and technology innovation, and also important awareness rising. So promote the co-treatment pollutants and greenhouse gases to improve the green low carbon development. Because the time limited, so I want to say we have one Chinese verse, is a judge of miles begin with one step. And also hard work always have harvest. So we want to do something step by step. And we believe we can obtain the results. Thank you for your attention.